Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to install a Vicrez HELLCAT Widebody kit. Let's begin. As you guys know, I had a wide body kit, but that was the Demon style wide body kit. This is a HELLCAT style wide body kit. Now, all that glue, all that 3M tape that's there, I'm going to show you how to remove it, the safe and the only way to remove it without damaging your paint. First of all, you're going to get one of these rubber wheels. It's a 3M rubber wheel, and it is specially designed to remove any glue, any tape, any molding adhesive and residue from your vehicle without damaging your car. Okay, I'll leave all the description below. I'll leave all the information where you can get it. The rear bumper and the front bumper have already been installed. Now that's real easy to install. There's a lot of videos on that, so I didn't show you that, but it's simple, real simple. Here's the front one. But now let me show you how to remove this. It's nice, stuck. That means that it worked. Now let me remove it so that I can apply the new one. There you go. As you can see, all I did was going up and down, up and down. Now it looks brutal when you're doing it. You're thinking that you're going to damage the paint, but you're not. Don't worry about it. Now, after that, get yourself a microfiber towel and just wipe it. Just clean it. All this residue that's left is just residue. All you got to do, get maybe some Windex or alcohol and just clean it. That's all you're going to do. And you'll be good. I am using an electric drill because the ones with battery are gonna run out. You do need an electric drill. It's a lot better. And just go to town. Take it off. Now let me remove everything, and I'll bring you back once everything's removed so you can see the next process. All right, here we go. Everything has been cleaned. Now the next step is where you're gonna be at. I know that you're gonna be like this whenever you get your wide body kit. Now let me show you what you need to do first. When you get your kit, it's gonna come with these pieces. This is to hold your wide body, but you need to prepare them. What do I mean by preparing them? You need to add some 3M tape, but you just don't stick the 3M tape to the back area. Let me show you what you need to do, how to prepare it. First, when you get them, it's gonna be bare plastic. You gotta get yourself some 320 grit sandpaper and sand all that area. Make sure it's nice, sand it, and just clean it up with a microfiber towel. It's gonna be all roughed up. And then you're gonna come back, you're gonna add some adhesion promoter to this area. Get yourself a brush, spread it all over, spread all the adhesion promoter, let it dry for a little bit. Then you can come back and start applying your 3M tape. This is the 3M tape that I am applying. It's a VHB, very high bond, and you can also get it on Vicrez. Okay, I'll leave all the information to all this on the description. But that's what you're gonna need. You're gonna apply it, let it set. That's it. Do that to all these pieces and you'll be ready. You'll be set to go to the car. All right, I'm back at the car. Now, all I gotta do is just put this trim right where it's gonna be at. I have more or less how much space I'm gonna be needing. So once I remove it, I know that I got to apply adhesion promoter to all this area. If you pass a little bit more, doesn't matter. That white body is going to cover it, but try to stay between this line. You can mark it. I usually use a Sharpie. I don't have it right now, but I usually use a Sharpie and mark it. But I already know where it goes, so I'm gonna put some adhesion promoter through all this area right here. This is where this 3M tape is gonna be sticking to. Let's put the adhesion promoter. There you go. Once you have applied all the area that molding is going to be at, just let it dry for a little bit. Then we can start applying that molding. Once you place the molding, press it all the way, make sure it sticks. This ain't going nowhere. This is not, once it's stuck, it's stuck. Like I said, this is reversible, so don't worry. So just press it on and you're good. You're good to go. Leave it for about 15 minutes, let it bond. Let's go to the next step. I removed the wheel, reason being, I was going to show you this. Whenever you install the new bumpers, you're going to have this gap right here, which doesn't look that good. But Vicrez has you covered. The kit comes with this. It is a spacer that's going to cover all that area. Very nice. Let me show you how to install it and continue. It's real simple to install. This is going to go underneath. Right there. That's the way it's gonna go. It's gonna fit perfectly. There you go. And it does come with brand new hardware right there. They're push pins. You're gonna fit right where the holes align, and it's gonna stay there. There you go. All the push pins have been applied. You're covered. Now it looks factory. Once you have this covered up, like I already got the wheel back on. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring my molding, my Widebody kit, and I'm gonna install it. Okay, I'm gonna install it without the adhesion, without the tape, the 3M tape. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be doing. All right, it's installed. Now you're gonna get some tape. And what do you want the tape for? You're gonna create a line. You're gonna place the tape right in the very edge of where the Widebody meets the car. Why? Because you're gonna have to apply some adhesion promoter under the tape so that the 3M tape that you're gonna install on the body kit sticks to the body. So you don't want any of the adhesion promoter to go to the top. So you're just protecting the top of the car. Okay, so let's do it all the way to the very end so that we can remove the wide body kit and start applying that adhesion promoter. There it is, all the way to the very end. Let's remove the wide body. Let's remove this side. There you go. Now let's start applying the adhesion promoter from the tape down all the way. All right, while that's drying, let's prepare the wide body kit. Here's the wide body. You're gonna have to scuff down. You're gonna have to sand all this area with 320 grit sandpaper. Just scuff it down, make sure it's nice and sanded, because you're gonna have to apply some adhesion promoter to all this area right here. All right, so let's just sand it down and have it ready. There you go. You saw me sand it down, and you saw me applying the adhesion promoter. Now I'm gonna wait for about 5 minutes, apply a second coat. I'm gonna have 2 coats of adhesion promoter, and should be ready for that 3M tape. There you go. 3M tape VHB has been applied. Let's take it to the car. All right, we're back at the car. It's dry. Let's remove this tape right here. I removed the backing from the 3M tape also, and let's start putting it back. You're gonna put it back exactly the same way as you did when you were test fitting it, so that you were adding the tape. So let's just do that same thing. There it is. I'm just pressing it, making sure that the 3M tape is bonding, clipping it in the middle, and we're good. There it is. All the lines are perfect. Everything matched. Everything's the way it's supposed to be. That's how we install the wide body kit. Now, I still need the back, but the process is gonna be exactly the same as what I did, guys. So I'm just gonna finish it up. I'm not gonna show you the process. It's the exact same thing. I'm gonna use that 3M wheel to remove the glue and do the exact same thing. So let me show you the car once it's finished. Here's a HELLCAT style wide body kit. Car's a little dirty, but it's been raining, but there it is. There you go. Tell me which one's your favorite. This is the one I like most. And this will be it, guys. This will be it for this video. Thank you very much. And like always, God bless.